Did.
I can't tell if we move.
Okay.
But then just say if we get 10.
Whited. Whited. All right. my viewers and sub. We see some work resume at Dumfries crossing. We just passed Whitehead and him team out there. And we're gonna see if we get any of the taxi folks them. To give me an update and let me know them opinion or them perception. Same time, I'm see if we can find the lady over out here, so we did a complain about the removement of our stall. So stick and stay. Some of viewers and subscribers, I'm out here right at the taxi stand. And you remember this young lady, she tell me the local situation, what she was going through. So me just I'll come do an update to find out, you know. If you know, promise you're still here, nobody not really move you like that and
No, they not tell we to move.
okay.
But then just say we get tent. We don't have no money for buy tent.
Oh, then can you want the place to look
and
pretty?
then so we fix up something properly. Honestly,
Yeah.
place look bad for you, you know.
Yeah.
And from the something come down, we not tell no lie, look good.
Yeah.
But at the same time, from the something come down the Saturday,
Yeah.
the Monday,
Yeah.
I be a rain from that.
Oh yeah,
You
yeah.
would
Yeah.
like you come out here when the rain fall.
Yeah, you know pretty.
I
So-
know the man no make no.
So remember, it's not really.
Whatever we
Remember,
do.
so this is not really like a vending area, really, you
You know
know.
what me I say no, Mr.
Yeah,
Sorry.
big super.
Listen what me I say.
Yeah,
The government now create no job for we.
fine.
We are create one job. What you want we do?
Yeah,
Won't go
yeah.
sit down and dead for hungry.
That is true.
We
That is
come
true.
down here, so a taxi stand this, you know.
Yeah, and
If them
people.
make up a little shed
Yeah.
and give the people them pay.
To
Do
go
what
and
them
you-
have to do.
yeah.
Me no mind put up my tarpaulin, you know.
Yeah.
Look for my friend where I sell clothes.
Yeah.
My friend where I sell clothes around there, so.
Yeah, me I look
They
on it.
expect say my friend to have them clothes them in his sun and in his rain.
Yeah,
You feel say that right?
No.
Me can put up my understand me?
Yeah.
Me believe in it say.
Yeah.
Respect. Then no respect with none at all.
okay.
Then come, if you have a meeting with big people from foreign,
Yeah,
you must know from about 6 months before.
Yeah.
You go tell me say you come the Wednesday. Before the Saturday you tell we pop down.
yeah. You know
And
look
then
good.
after rain, then I no respect for
Yeah.
we.
So like how you pass them series then now and thing and when you reach to that point you know. You go there now differently.
Well, at the same time, how we feel good and with people they not good. How we feel good and the rain still a fall and wet up with people. Them.
Okay.
Down to all the school picnic them. The taxi man then can't carry the picnic them in a wet in the car, you know. Because they wet up.
Okay.
Me see all what day me there, one woman, the whole of the woman a go about in business in body wet up because what? The taxi man them have to help out the school picnic them.
Yeah.
The people then down here. Me never talk about the people them like the
Yeah.
school picnic.
Can you need a proper bus
A
shed?
proper bus shed.
Yeah.
Me
Yeah.
no mind about me can use me umbrella.
Yeah.
But at the same time, when two customer come
Yeah.
and the people then stand up here so,
Yeah.
how you expect say the people them?
Yeah.
Me can't come park up my van, you know.
Yeah, me understand.
Cause me no mind that.
Me understand.
But we have to talk about the people them. The people they not talk about themselves.
Yeah,
either.
yeah. So we
but
need-
me have to talk about them because if I know them, me no sell.
Ah, that is true. That
You
is
understand me? So me have to look for
So,
people
I
them.
hope them listen and them hear your voice. You want outspoken lady and me like that boy, yo.
Well, at the
and-
same
and-
time, me no like talk bias, you know.
Yeah. You
Because if me not talk the truth, no ask me no question.
Alright.
If you don't want to hear the truth,
Yeah.
no ask me no question.
Alright. Big up yourself. Have
Yeah,
yourself a
man.
fine morning, alright?
Same to you.
And like how it head now in the next month in the
And
Christmas
the meat
season.
no want to hear from
You don't want a
the
meeting
Yes,
with the
we
mayor.
want the meat.
That one you can know the way
That's
forward.
can know, say boy, if we dash up with something same way,
Yeah.
or with it, if you buy 1 tent by 6 months time, that mash up.
Oh, me understand.
That mash
Yeah.
up. The first time I come down here, you know, me ask question, you know.
Yeah.
Me ask somebody where they round there. Me not call no name because
Yeah.
me no want to get in no problem.
Yeah.
Me say to the man, say, somebody offer me some housing. The man say me can't put up nothing permanent.
No, you can't put on
But
that.
through me stubborn enough,
Yeah.
I put up one piece or something. I see them people then give me $100, you know.
Yeah.
And me buy chapali, you know.
Yeah.
And something and put up, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? me?
Yeah.
So, me don't know still.
Alright. Peace here.
Yeah man, bless you.
Alright.
Alright,
So
come on,
on hear me talk to the lady and she had complain about her look selling in the year a year and we just come to just do a follow up on her and the business to find out how I go on. And me no know if me don't find any taxi man to give me no update on the road. I don't run a Dumfries and thing, because I need an update, you know. Like when them a drive on the road, them can give me a more update on what I go on. So stick and stay. Viewers and subscribers, I speak with a taxi driver. And him up on the road every day, so him kind of familiar with the whole of the road settings and what really are going out on the road, you know. And what your opinion now with the road thing now, out here in St.Thomas, because you're up on it, oh, it look like it's a common or...
Them a go on, you know.
Them are going. And we in the rainy season, and obviously the rainy season kind of take them and pull up.
Yeah, it kind of pull up a little, but them have to take time set it back.
Them have to take them and set it back. And things. So you feel so them have to attack the road you know, like how the rain kind of draw a little bit. Well.
They sure they pan it already still.
Alright. I'm pass them out of Dumfries this morning and White and them team. Them are going good so far.
But me not see them back that side yet.
Oh, so which side you're up on? You're up on the White Horse's side. And you know see them come back that side there.
No,
but your road, the road around that side, it's a wall out?
What, the White Horse's road?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the corner them lift up mostly.
The corner them lift up?
Yeah.
Alright. So them need to come in and do some repair. Alright. Thank you for the interview. Peace.